Hey, what is up everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today we are taking a look at the LG V40. We got these nice 360-degree renders by Leaks, and if you ask me, it does look pretty nice. We got that nice 6.3-inch display in the front, and of course the notch, which I have never been a fan of, and I still to this day am not a fan of the notch, but at least they do give us an option through software to be able to hide it if we want. And then around back, we got a nice glass build with a metal frame, and then a triple camera setup in the back. Yes, 3 cameras. Now, what they're going to use these 3 cameras for, I'm really not sure yet. My guess can be, of course, there's going to be a main camera lens, and then maybe the other 2 might be a wide angle lens and a telephoto lens, all working together to produce great pictures and videos. LG has always done a great job of putting great cameras in their devices. And then also in the front, we get a dual camera setup right next to the earpiece. And then if you look below that 3 camera setup in the back, you do get a fingerprint sensor, which I honestly have always thought was a great place for the fingerprint sensor. I think it's in a great position. And then on the side, you'll see the volume rockers, but below that, you'll see a dedicated Google Assistant button, which we can all assume that's what it is. It's got to be some kind of assistant button. That's what they did with one of their last devices. I mean, Samsung's doing that with their Bixby button, so it does look like it's going to be some kind of assistant button. And then on the bottom of the device, we got the headphone jack, the charging port, and the speaker. And then on the other side of the device, below the power button, you'll notice is the SIM and SD card slot. So overall, I think it's a great looking device aside from the notch on the screen. But like I said before, at least they do give us an option to be able to hide it through software. You know, LG has always done a good job at making attractive looking devices. The question is, will it be enough to take on some of the other great devices out right now? What will the pricing be like? We still don't have official specs for this phone. So that's the big question, is if this device will be even able to stand up to some of the other great devices out on the market right now. Let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know what you guys think. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up on this video if you did like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications if you have not already. You guys, this is Josh Quinones. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you all on the next one. Peace out.